Want to start fresh in OBS? Here's how to set up a brand new scene in just a few clicks. First, open OBS and head to the Scenes panel in the lower left corner. Click the plus button, give your scene a name, and hit OK. Now you have a blank slate. Next, let's add some content. In the Sources panel, click the plus button and choose what you need, like display capture to share your screen, video capture device for a webcam, or image to add a logo. Once added, you can click and drag sources within the preview window to resize and position them. If needed, right-click a source for extra options like transform to center or fit it on the screen. Before you go live or start recording, double-check your scene setup. Toggle visibility using the eye icon next to each source. Keep in mind that the source order in the list determines which source appears on top. Drag them up or down to adjust layering. And that's it! You now have a fully set up scene ready to go. Need more OBS tips? Like and subscribe to get my latest OBS Studio tutorials and so much more. And for professional voiceover, videos, and instructional content, visit my website at xavierkerrigan.com.